on the way to the Triumph dealer with my Africa Twin. Africa Twin's been a fantastic bike. Oddly enough, long stretches of high-speed motorway I don't think it's been great at. And for me, it doesn't have all-day comfort. No, I'm a heavy guy. I changed the rear spring. That was very successful. That transformed the bike. I can't really fault the bike, apart from the shitty spokes like lots of people have had. But I know Honda will put that right. I haven't really had any other problems. It's been a very good bike. I just wanted some more longer distance comfort, some more refinement, cruise, some other things, quick shifter, and a bit more power really, because like most Africa Twins kicking around Ireland or the UK, places like that, they're going to be used on the road rather than off-road. They're going to be 99% of them going to be used as road bikes. And with the 21-inch wheel at the front, the skinny tyre, it's not the perfect bike for that. No, it's not terrible by any means. It's perfectly adequate for riding on the road its whole life. But I did want some more long distance comfort. So I'm on my way to pick up a Triumph Explorer, a 2018 XC8. Whoever gets this Africa Twin, it's been well looked after. It's only got 12,000 kilometers on the clock. Got 2 oil changes in that time. And a good few extras. The best extra I put on this bike was a Rapid Bike Easy to richen the mixture up a bit at low speed. So commuting or around town, or it's just transformed the bike. I'd recommend it to anybody. It's not a power booster or anything like that. I have the stock exhaust, stock everything. It just richens the mixture up a bit at the low end and stops the jerkiness. I can imagine a lot of countries this is the perfect bike. I think it's a little bit flawed for our tarmac-laden Europe, in that it'll do anything any other bike will do. It's just other bikes will do it a little bit better. I have the Honda stock panniers. I like them. I have my MRA screen, which made a big difference, especially at speeds like this, say 100k. High speed you still have. I find this bike at high speed on the motorway a bit oddly enough could do with some more weight. But I'll be getting that with the Explorer. Which I don't mind. If there's one thing I'll say to anyone picking up an Africa Twin, just spend some time and sort out your sag. It really doesn't take much at all, and it'll make a complete difference the way this bike handles. It's not rocket science, just Google it. It really makes a ginormous difference to this bike. Just remember I got panniers on. If I thought these ponies are wide, wait till you see the Triumph. And it's January here in Ireland, winter month. But it's quite mild. So a perfect evening to pick up my new Triumph. We'll take some pictures in the dealership because it's the last time it's going to be that immaculate. But not undertake this lorry. I tell you, if you're thinking about buying an Africa Twin, don't bother changing the stock can out. The sound is absolutely gorgeous with the stock can. On a long journey, very pleasant. You really don't need an aftermarket can, unless you're desperate to lose weight on the bike. But I mean, you got to be desperate. Now, if I didn't have the Rapid Bike Easy on at this point, I'd be using my clutch like mad in these slow speeds around town. If you find this bike a bit of an arse around town, fitting the Rapid Bike Easy, first, anyone can do it. Comes with a wiring harness specific to the Africa Twin if you get the right unit. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes to fit. And it requires no electrical skill. You're just plugging it in existing cables on your bike. It really has made a huge difference. I can't recommend one enough. There's no tuning, no mucking around with the EQ, there's nothing. You just plug it in, set 2 dials to what they tell you in the little manual you get with it, a piece of paper, and it works brilliantly. Something I won't need on the Triumph Explorer because I've already test driven it, and the fueling is amazing on it. Well, here's Triumph Dublin, next to Harley Davidson and Ducati. They're all the same people, really. Well, goodbye, old friend. Happy new owner.